Dear students, today our topic for discussion is Mahatma Gandhi and the national movement. So far our topic is concerned, we see that Mahatma Gandhi was a thinker, writer, public intellectual and leader of international movement who introduced the idea of non-violent resistance called Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi, he sacrificed his whole life for the sake of the country, and played an important role in the Indian freedom struggle. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. 2nd October is every year we are celebrating 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. The Gandhi is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and we see that the International Day of Non-Violence is observed on 2nd October in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. International Day of Non-Violence is observed on 2nd October in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, and we see that Mahatma Gandhi, he died on 30 January 1948. The cause of his death was that he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse, the man who killed the father of nation. Nathuram Godse killed father of nation. Clear? And we see that 30 January is observed as Martyrs Day. Clear? He was a leader of international movement, and also he was a prolific writer. He wrote My Experiments with Truth, his famous autobiography. The famous book of Mahatma Gandhi is his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, and Hind Swaraj. Clear? And we see that the title of Mahatma was given to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore ने महात्मा गांधी को टाइटल मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी को टाइटल दिया द टाइटल ऑफ महात्मा एंड सुभाष चंद्र बोस he gave the title of Bapu, the father of nation, to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Subhash Chandra Bose. As we know that after completion legal education, Mahatma Gandhi in 1893, Mahatma Gandhi he went to South Africa. Clear? He went to South Africa, and we see that in South Africa, he had a first-hand experience of racial discrimination when he was thrown out of first class apartment of train despite holding the first class ticket, because it was reserved for white people only, and no Indian or black was allowed to travel in the first class. So in South Africa, he had led a peaceful agitation against racial discrimination meted out to Indians, and had emerged as a respected leader. So he started Satyagraha. It was in South Africa he developed his brain of Satyagraha. The word Satyagraha, as we know that, is derived from two words, Satya and Agraha, two Sanskrit words. The word Satyagraha is derived from two Sanskrit words, Satya and Agraha. Satya means truth and Agraha means holding on. So in simple words, Satyagraha means insistence of truth or in search of truth. So according to Gandhi, if cause is true, if struggle is against injustice, then there is no need for the physical force against the oppressor, and Satyagrahi can win the battle through non-violence. So according to Gandhi ji, that non-violence is the law of our species, as violence is the law of brute. So Satyagraha, the techniques of Satyagraha, the main techniques of Satyagraha was the peaceful protest, clear, demonstration, protesters, but peaceful manner, and the Satyagraha was based on non-violence, clear. So Mahatma Gandhi, he experienced it. We see that he developed his brand of Satyagraha in South Africa, clear. And we see that on 9th January 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India and joined the Indian National Congress with Gopal Krishna Gokhale as his mentor. So Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a political guru of Mahatma Gandhi, clear. And we see that 9th January is celebrated in India as Pravesi Bharat Divas. 9th January in every year is celebrated as Pravesi Bharat Divas to mark the contribution of overseas Indian overseas Indian community, clear, in the development of India, clear. And as we know that Mahatma Gandhi, he was influenced, he was profoundly influenced by the writings of Leo Tolstoy and Ruskin Bond. He was influenced by the writings of Leo Tolstoy and Ruskin Bond. Clear? And after returning India, we see that he toured the whole country. Clear? As we know that the Mahatma Gandhi, he toured the whole country. On advice of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Clear? Gopal Krishna, to know the land and its people. Clear? And the first movement, the first satyagraha, the first civil disobedience movement which was started by Gandhi in India was Champaran Satyagraha. So Champaran was the first civil disobedience movement. Started by whom? Started by Mahatma Gandhi on the request of Rajkumar Shukla. Gandhi was requested by Rajkumar Shukla to look into the problems and grievances of indigo cultivators of Champaran. As we know that Champaran is a place in Bihar. Clear? As we know that in Champaran, the British planters, they forced the Indian peasants to grow indigo. Clear? On 20th of their land. It was known as Tinkatia system. So in Champaran, the Indian peasants were forced by British planters to grow indigo. Clear? And we see that they were also forced to sell their produce at cheap rates. Gandhi joined the movement. And we see that Rajendra Prasad, Mazharul Haq, Gandhi convinced the British authorities to abolish. That Tinkatia system should be abolished. So it was a first successful movement in India. Clear? Which was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Clear? Or we can say that the first civil disobedience movement by Gandhi in the freedom struggle. Gandhi went to Champaran to investigate the conditions of the farmers, peasants, indigo cultivators. So the first civil disobedience movement was Champaran Satyagraha. Second was Kheda Satyagraha. As we know that Kheda is a village in Kheda. It was a protest, farmers' protest. Kheda Satyagraha was a farmers' protest. In 1918, so Gandhi, we see that he reserved leadership to fight for the cause of plague and famine affected peasants of Kheda district of Gujarat. Clear? As we know that farmers started protest. Clear? Farmers, thereby we see that the failure of crops due to drought in the Kheda district of Gujarat. So farmers, they demanded the remission of the taxes. Because due to the crop failure. Clear? But we see that the authorities, they were in distress condition. Sardar Villabhai Patel, they also joined. Sardar Villabhai Patel and Indulal, Sardar Villabhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Indulal, they toured the whole Kheda district of Gujarat. Clear? And they supported the peasants of Champaran, because peasants, they were not in a position to pay taxes because of the failure of the crop. So they demanded the remission of the taxes. This was second. We see that the successful Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi in India, Kheda struggle. And third, we see that the Ahmedabad mill strike. As we know that Gandhi used Satyagraha and hunger strike for the first time. He used hunger strike and Satyagraha for the first time during the industrial dispute between workers and owners of cotton mill in Ahmedabad. And we see that Ahmedabad, the mill, we see that mill workers, they demanded 35% hike in their wages. Gandhi joined the movement. So this was the third successful movement of Mahatma Gandhi in India. Clear? First Champaran Satyagraha, second Kheda movement, third Ahmedabad mill strike. Clear? As we know that earlier, the main philosophy which was given by Gandhi was the Satyagraha. The concept of Satyagraha means the insistence of truth or in search of truth. Clear? So dear students, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे रॉबर्ट सत्याग्रह, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट एंड क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट। सो वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए।